exploring Ontario's scenic beauty with the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus, a sport touring delight. Recently, the AutoModive team ventured into the breathtaking Ontario countryside, soaking in the vibrant fall colors and discovering the charm of Northern Ontario. With heartfelt thanks to our friends at Destination Ontario for making it all happen, we immersed ourselves in the region's natural splendor. The perfect bike for the journey. When choosing a bike for our Canadian adventure, we sought something versatile, capable of sporty performance while excelling at long-distance touring. After much deliberation, the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus emerged as the ideal candidate to represent the sport touring category. With Yamaha's renowned CP3 engine at its core, this bike promised a thrilling ride. After logging over 1,000 miles, we came back with plenty to share about this impressive machine. Here are 5 key takeaways about the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. 1. Lightweight brilliance. At just 492 pounds, the Yamaha feels nimble and effortlessly maneuverable, especially when compared to heavyweight contenders like the Honda Goldwing and Harley Street Glide, which also joined our trip. Even without direct comparisons, the sub-500-pound Tracer is a standout for anyone seeking a lightweight touring experience. 2. The 890 cubic centimeters triple. Pure fun with a thrilling soundtrack. Yamaha's 890 cubic centimeters triple engine is a masterpiece we've admired across its various platforms, and the Tracer 9 GT Plus doesn't disappoint. It delivers strong torque down low and impressive power at higher revs, making every ride engaging. Plus, the engine's intake and exhaust notes are nothing short of addictive, turning even the longest trips into an auditory delight. The bike's quick shifter and auto blipper are also highlights, offering clutch-free shifts that enhance the riding experience. The satisfying pops from the exhaust during upshifts add a fun, sporty vibe. However, we did notice some notchy downshifts on our test bike, a rare hiccup we haven't encountered on other CP3-equipped models, suggesting it might be an isolated case. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into what makes the Tracer 9 GT Plus a standout in the sport touring world. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus, a sport touring marvel with a few trade-offs. Wind protection could be better. The Tracer 9 GT Plus features a manually adjustable windscreen that does a decent job of redirecting airflow. However, its compact design, especially compared to bulkier bikes like the Honda Goldwing and Harley Street Glide we rode alongside, means it offers less protection from the elements. Is it a fair comparison? Probably not, but when a bike impresses as much as the Tracer, nitpicking becomes a necessity. Balanced saddlebags, thanks to smart design. One of the Tracer's standout features is its under-engine exhaust silencer, which allows for equal-capacity saddlebags on both sides. This thoughtful design eliminates the space compromises found on older sport tourers with side-mounted exhausts. Packing for a trip becomes much easier when every inch of storage is usable, and the Tracer nails this aspect. Electronic suspension and adaptive cruise control. Touring made smarter. The Tracer 9 GT Plus comes equipped with electronic suspension that adapts effortlessly to changing road conditions. Over 1,000 miles of diverse Northern Ontario terrain, we didn't once feel the need to tweak the settings, a testament to how seamlessly it works in the background. And let's not overlook the adaptive cruise control. While not flawless, it's a game changer for longer rides, offering added convenience and a touch of luxury for those extended highway stretches. The sporty alternative for touring enthusiasts. If you prefer your touring with a dose of adrenaline, the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus is an ideal companion. Agile and responsive on twisty roads, yet comfortable enough for highway hauls, it strikes an excellent balance. At $16,499, it offers exceptional value with its feature-packed design, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. For those who want their touring experience served with a side of sport, the Tracer 9 GT Plus delivers in spades. Unleashing performance. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. For riders who crave the thrill of the open road, but demand versatility and practicality, the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus stands out as a masterclass in sport touring performance. Combining cutting-edge technology, dynamic handling, and Yamaha's beloved CP3 engine, This bike delivers an exhilarating experience that doesn't compromise comfort or control. The heart of the machine, 890 cubic centimeters, CP3 engine. At the core of the Tracer 9 GT Plus lies Yamaha's celebrated 890 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine. This powerhouse is a symphony of torque, power, and smooth delivery, making it ideal for both spirited rides through twisty backroads and long-haul highway cruising. The CP3 engine produces a hearty 117 horsepower, providing ample thrust to handle any riding scenario. Its torquey bottom end ensures effortless acceleration, while the robust top-end power keeps you engaged when you push it into higher revs. Add to that the intoxicating growl of the intake and exhaust, and the Tracer becomes as much a delight to listen to as it is to ride. Riding dynamics: agile and confident. Weighing just 492 pounds, the Tracer 9 GT Plus feels nimble and responsive, a rarity for touring-capable bikes. Its lightweight design makes it a joy to maneuver through tight corners, while the rigid aluminum frame and well-tuned chassis offer exceptional stability. Whether you're navigating urban streets or carving through mountain passes, the Tracer maintains its poise. The addition of Yamaha's KYB electronic suspension elevates the riding experience further. It dynamically adjusts damping in real time, adapting seamlessly to varying road conditions. This means you'll enjoy a plush ride over rough terrain and a firm, controlled setup when pushing the bike in spirited riding, without ever needing to stop and adjust settings manually. Technology that enhances performance. One of the standout features of the Tracer 9 GT Plus is its suite of rider aids, including a sophisticated 6-axis IMU that powers systems like lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and slide control. These technologies work in harmony to give the rider confidence in all conditions, whether it's wet roads or aggressive lean angles. The bike also features a quick shifter and auto blipper, allowing clutchless upshifts and downshifts. While the upshifts are crisp and satisfying, the downshifts occasionally feel notchy, a minor quirk that doesn't detract from the overall experience. High-speed comfort, adaptive cruise control. On the touring side, Yamaha's adaptive cruise control system is a game-changer. It uses radar to maintain a safe distance from vehicles ahead, reducing rider fatigue on long highway stretches. This feature, while rare in the sport touring category, highlights Yamaha's commitment to blending performance with convenience. Conclusion: performance meets practicality. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus is a shining example of how a motorcycle can deliver high-performance thrills without sacrificing practicality or comfort. It thrives on twisty roads, eats up highway miles with ease, and brims with technology that enhances both safety and enjoyment. For $16,499, the Tracer 9 GT Plus offers a package that appeals to adrenaline seekers and road trippers.